What's up, guys? We're back. This week's not a vlog though. It's an update. Just want to fill you guys in, and as you guys probably just saw on the title, there's some big changes in my life. So, cutting straight to it, I did decide to step away from my position as a driver at the Honda Talon Factory Racing program. Yeah, big changes, and I know you guys are all probably asking why. And first off, it's nothing against Honda, nothing against the Honda Talon team. I love all you guys. I love the Honda platform. The Honda Talon is truly an amazing UTV. Tons of new innovative stuff. I've had so much fun being part of developing new stuff on it, driving it. Just the whole opportunity has been amazing. And the Honda Talon with the dual clutch transmission, so awesome. No more belts, which I think is rad. And then the launch mode, probably my favorite part about the Honda Talon. So awesome. So yeah, I just want to put that out there. I do love the Honda Talon platform. I think it has so much potential, and I think it is such a rad thing to see what Honda is doing and what the Proctor team is doing, and the opportunities they gave me. I can't thank them enough for, you know, believing in some young kid like me. It was pretty cool to see them reach out and do what they did with this whole factory program. And yeah, so it was just such a rad opportunity. I got to learn so much. I got to see so many things from a different way. It was my first time. I'd never been a hired driver, so that was super cool. And so ultimately, what made me decide, just some changes in life, and in the end, it just wasn't working out for what I wanted to do and what the team was doing and whatnot. So I decided to step back, and I'm hoping they can continue on. I wish them the best of luck, and you know, to continue on with what they're doing. And I'm going to be cheering them on for the Baja 1000. I'm super bummed I'm not going to be part of it, but sometimes that's life. You got to make decisions. This racing thing is a business to me. It is my career, so I have to look in that. As far as desert racing, don't let this steer you off that I am done desert racing. I've had so much fun desert racing, and thanks to the Honda team, they showed me how rad it is, and so many cool opportunities there is in desert racing, and how important it is to have a rad team behind you. So do not let this count out for desert racing. I have some really cool news coming. I wish I could share, but it's not quite sealed up yet, so I'm not going to share yet because I don't want to jinx myself. But all I can say is desert racing is not over. Yeah, so just ultimately this video was just an update. The rest of the video, I kind of just clipped up a bunch of some of my favorite moments with the Honda team, just kind of a mashup. Fun, all smiles, whatnot. And then at the end, I do have last week's giveaway winner, and in the middle, I also pick, I show you how to enter for this week's giveaway, so make sure you check that out. Super rad. And like I said, I just want to throw a huge thanks to the Honda team. No bad blood between us. Just change in life. So life's full of up and downs, as you guys can see. COVID 2020, man, what a year. So like I said, yeah, 2020 threw another loophole in there, so I just had to decide, you know what, I can't keep doing this Honda thing. But huge thanks to Jeff Proctor, the whole team over there, Wayne, Evan, Jeffrey. I know you guys have put in so much work, and I couldn't appreciate it more, and thanks for letting me be a part of it. I know I was a pain in the butt, so thank you guys. But yeah, and next week's vlog is going to be super rad. I'm actually here in my van in Moab, Utah, just getting suited up. Got the, what is it? Oh, whoopsie, that was almost a close call. I have the Moab 4x4 Expo. I'm going to be a celebrity trail guide. Super excited. This is my first time spending some time in Moab, so it is beautiful. So be sure, tune in next week, and now I'm going to clip the music with our mashup. It's all smiles and whatnot, so see ya. Getting a healthy breakfast on our way to King of the Hammers.
Christopher, dude, what happened to your door?
Just broke her in a little. Pre-running. Just got to use the car to pivot. Going down, it's pretty like, it's just like.
How'd qualifying go?
I just finished it up, put on a show for everyone, but right now we're sitting P1, so pretty stoked on that. That's Woo! Yeah, baby. Did you watch that? It's good. Good job, dude. Yeah, it was so cool to be here. It was a long run. Just glad I just got to thank Honda Power Sports, the whole Proctor team. I mean, to be up here is so cool, and this whole new platform with this Honda, we didn't really know it going in, and it performed amazing. And we just kind of cruised all day and then pushed where we needed to, and it was just it helped the car work really good. I'm just stoked to be up here. It was a long, treacherous thing. I hadn't ran spooners, outer limits, back door, nothing. So it was kind of going in blind, and it all worked out good. And I'm stoked they cleared back door both times. That's scary.
Stoked for my boy. Big rock guy. Big rock guy. Big rock guy. You just seen it, just big. We were hitting big rocks like that guy.
Volunteers out here on the lake bed, ready to help out.
Well, I appreciate being leading red and being Team Honda.
Get some more.
Here in Vegas,
okay,
at the Sunset Station. This is a host hotel for our Vegas to Reno race tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's something really close to my face.
Alright, this week's giveaway. A $150 K&N gift card. Super pumped. K&N makes such rad products. So, to be able to give you guys some of it makes me even happier. Super simple. You guys know the deal. Hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Then, simply drop a comment below. Drop it below. Be sure when you drop that comment, tag or put something like your Instagram handle or your Facebook handle. It makes it way easier for me to be able to contact you. And that's it. You're entered. If you guys want extra credit just because you love me, share with your friends. Share all your friends that I'm literally giving a $150 gift card away for nothing. Alright, back to the video. Alright, we're here at the start line. It is dusty. We're about to get suited in, so we'll see you guys in like 10 hours.
beautiful day here in Barstow, California. Just to get it on top of some of that big stuff, because then the big stuff would kind of, but we weren't charging. Okay, we're here on Fremont Street, finally made it. Cars are rolling through tech and contingency right now. What's up, man? There you go. So we just got onto the Vegas Strip and we're cruising it in this brand new Honda Talon.
But you know, he's a big business guy. He's got to take care of business, so that's what he's here to do.
Alright guys, time to pick this week's winner, or actually 3 winners. Yep, you heard me, 3 winners. This first winner will get the $50 gift card and then some team merch. And then the other 2 will get the team merch and the $25 gift card. So, I mean, they still win pretty big. Alright, let's do this. Okay, we got our video. We copied the link right here. Now we're going to go to random content picker. Oh, we got to go to YouTube. Bear with me. Wi-Fi is a little slow. Drop a comment. Get YouTube comments. Now we're going to go start random picker. Okay, oh look at that. Focus in there. CJ Deck 67. You're the winner of some merch and the $50 gift card, so congrats. But okay, let's pick another winner. Sorry guys, it's a little blurry. I'm in my van. Not the best. Okay. Boom. Kyle Kleinsmith. Congrats, you're the winner. Merch, $25 gift card. And now for our final win card. Okay. Man, pumped. Thank you guys for entering. I know. Boom. Connor Spires. Boom. Congrats on your 2nd place. Exciting racing. Thanks, dude. Hope you guys all enjoy these shirts and the KNF gift cards. Be sure, once you guys get the shirts, post up. I want to see some swag. And as you guys know, we do weekly giveaways, so you guys know the deal. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below, and I will see you next week because we're going to be picking a winner of a $150 K&N gift card. So you're not going to want to miss it. All you got to do, drop a comment down below and hit that subscribe button. Yeah.
Me and Evan, who's riding with me, we were both like just laughing and pumped the whole time. We should be way more serious in there as we're going across some big old whoops at like 70.